Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Apple Pay with your Nedbank card. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments. First, open the Wallet app on your Apple device, whether it's your iPhone or Apple Watch. Then, look for the plus sign in the top right corner and tap it to begin adding a new card. You'll then select Nedbank from the list of available card issuers. Finally, follow the simple on-screen instructions to verify your card details securely. Making a payment in store with Apple Pay and your Nedbank card is incredibly convenient. When you're ready to pay, simply double-click the side button on your iPhone. You'll then authenticate your purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or by entering your passcode. Next, hold the top of your iPhone or the face of your Apple Watch near the contactless payment reader. You'll feel a subtle vibration and hear a chime, confirming your payment has been successfully processed in just a few seconds. Using Apple Pay for online and in-app purchases with your Nedbank card is just as easy and secure. When you're checking out, simply look for the distinctive Apple Pay button. If you have several cards linked, you can easily select your Nedbank card from the options presented. To complete the transaction, you'll confirm your purchase using Face ID or Touch ID, ensuring your security. Your shipping and billing information will automatically populate, saving you valuable time and effort. Apple Pay offers robust security features for your Nedbank transactions. Your actual card number is never stored on your device or on Apple's servers. Instead, a unique device account number is assigned, encrypted, and securely stored. Each purchase uses a one-time unique transaction code, providing enhanced privacy and fraud protection. This makes Apple Pay a remarkably fast, secure, and incredibly convenient way to manage your payments, giving you peace of mind with every transaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.